talofa lava, everyone, malo lava soifua. It's lovely to have you all with us here this afternoon. We are Pacific Connection, and we are so proud to be able to stand here in front of you all, our family and our friends, the ones who made the cut today, because we were limited to 100 people thanks to COVID. But congratulations, so well done, thank you for coming along. It's lovely to see your smiling faces. As you all know, it's been a tough year for all of us, and our choir has kind of been preparing for a competition which was to take place in September, which then got postponed to November, which then got cancelled altogether. So just like everyone else, we try and make plans which don't always go to plan, but here we are able to share what we've learned throughout this year with you all. So thank you again for coming. My name is Henrietta Hankantangaloa, or Henry for short. Henrietta if I'm in trouble, but we are going to perform a number of songs for you tonight, including some of the members in our group. So I'll pass over to Chad Bar, who is our other co-director.
So hello everybody, thank you for kindly making your way here tonight. The first song we sang today was from The Lion King, Circle of Life. The second song I'd like to sing for you is the Tokalā medley, and it features our solo with Daniel. And then our last song let's sing through the set is a featuring song which features Julian and Samoan. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Hallelujah. Is a quartet called Fifth Melody. Fifth Melody is a family quintet from Porirua. They are the Sarah siblings, Jane, Solomon, Theodora, Sina, and Haumi. They all grew up singing in church, school, various music performance and acapella groups. They are proud members of the Civic Connection Choir and they love to perform. Please welcome Fifth Melody.
We are Fifth Melody Quartet, siblings, my sisters and myself. We enjoy singing, we love singing in Pataka. That song we heard was Samoan, a very dear song to us. Nothing like representing your culture. And Christmas is almost here, so we thought we'd do a little Christmas song just to bring the Christmas spirit. Where has the year gone? I don't know, but this one is called Heart the Lord. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful Lord, ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Joyful Lord, ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Merry Christmas! When we started as a group, it was just us four. So it was my sister Jane, Sina, myself, Solomon, and Theodora. And Taumi wasn't old enough to sing with us, but now she is. So she's making her debut yet again. Can't get rid of her. It's fine. So this next song, last song I'm going to sing is "Find My Way Back Home." One of our favourite songs we like to sing. We like to dedicate this one to the year that has gone by. It's been a tough year for everyone. We can't control everything, but we leave the song with you in the hopes that you find your way back home, wherever that is for you.
is our proud Niue ninja, because over the last few weeks she has been kicking the boys' butts. Daphne is a talented singer, songwriter, and is a valued member of our choir. She is always happy to showcase her Niuean culture through music. Please put your hands together for Daphne Pihinia!
Hi everyone, how's everyone doing tonight? How's everyone doing tonight? It's a blessing to be here, and like Mona said, it's been a tough year, so I would just like to tribute this song to everyone, especially my family. My parents are here, I don't know where my dad went to, but especially to our newer people who have suffered a lot of this whole year. So I would just like to sing this song for all of you.
Alicia Williams, and I'm one of 3 members in the group. Up next, we have the beautiful whānau family. We are pleased to have this talented family in our choir and our community. This family has been singing together for years, and we cannot wait to see what they have in store for us tonight. They'll be joined by their equally as talented Auntie Al Matautia. Please welcome Peter, Mua, Ada, Jotham, and Al. Talofa, everybody. Actually there are quite a few whānaus in this choir. I want to acknowledge my nephew or cousin, Cameron whānau. I think the foundation, Cam? And also my sister's joining whānau thing today. But right now for this item we're going to try and emulate Destiny's Child.
And just to clarify, Beyonce, Kelly, Michelle.
They're trying to pick me out already.
Oh yeah. Well, it's over and done, but the heartache lives on inside. Who's the one you're clinging to? Instead of me tonight. And where are you now? Now that I need you, tears on my pillow. Wherever you go, ride me a river that leads to the ocean. You'll never see me fall apart. And the words of a broken heart is just emotions taking me over. Caught up in sorrow, lost in the song. But if you don't come back, come home to me, darling. Don't you know there's nobody left in this world to hold you tight? Don't you know there's nobody left in this world to kiss goodnight? Goodnight.
take you back to 1965. And the Drifters. Saturday nights. Well, Saturday night at 8 o'clock, know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna pick my baby up and take her to the picture show. Everybody in the neighborhood is dressing up to be there too. And the only one I love is the girl sitting by my side. Saturday night at the movies, who cares what picture you see? When you're hugging and kissing in back row of me. Sing along. It's Technicolor and CinemaScope, fresh out of Hollywood. And the popcorn on the candy stand makes it all seem twice as good. There are oh so many pretty girls with figures they don't try to hide. But the only girl I love is the girl sitting by my side. Saturday night at the movies, who cares what picture you see? When you're hugging and kissing the back row of me. Well, Saturday night at the movies, who cares what picture you see? When you're hugging and kissing the back row of me. When you're hugging and kissing the back row of me. One more. When you're hugging and kissing in back row of the melody. If you know that they've gone, I'll sing one more song by myself.
Well, I have the absolute privilege to introduce this next act. They are called the Reflections Quartet, formed in August of last year. We have Julian, Solomon, Chad, who are all proud members of the Pacific Choir, Pacific Connection Choir, I should say. Together with Josh Ellery, a proud member of Vocal Effects Chorus, this ensemble merged to bring barbershop music that touches the soul. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome The Reflections.
This is something I hate to do. We've been living so long, like it's fucking time. What's wrong? It was wrong. Please, darling, don't you cry. Baby, don't you cry. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. Say goodbye. I'll miss you, yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Oh, darling, I'm gonna miss you, baby, I'm gonna miss you every day of my life, baby, don't you cry, don't you cry, maybe you'll find another guy, my darling, dry your eyes, let's just kiss and say goodbye. Let's just kiss, let's kiss and say goodbye. Let's kiss and say we are the Reflection Quartet. We've been together for a year now and a bit. Such a journey as a quartet. It's such a great pleasure and honor to sing alongside beautiful gentlemen here. Very honored to be singing with me actually. So, the next song I'm going to sing is Ain't No Mountain High Enough. I hope you enjoy. Baby, I'm gonna be true if you want me to, and keep standing by your side. Lord, I'll never stray, 'cause I couldn't stay away, not even if I listen, baby, there ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far, yeah. So just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. There ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. Remember the day I told you you could always count on me, darling. From that day on, I made a vow I'll be there when you want me some way, somehow. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. Baby, there's no darling, no baby, no wind and no rain. No winter's cold can't stop me, baby. 'Cause if you're ever in trouble, I'll be there on a double. Just send for me, I'll be there. My love is alive, way down in my heart. Although we are miles apart, if you ever need a helping hand, I'll be there on a double, just as fast as I can. Because there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from you. Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from you. Ain't no mountain high enough, there ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. I'm telling you, I'll always be true, babe. I'll always be there, 'cause there ain't no mountain high, ain't no mountain high, ain't no river wide, no mountain high. I'll be by your side, 'cause there ain't no mountain high.
comes to the stage, I'll say a quick few words. My name is Julian. I'm Samoan. Yes, and we make up the basic of the Reflections Quartet that just performed. Just to reiterate, we are so grateful to be able to come and sing in front of the audience today. As was mentioned earlier, our competition was cancelled.
Yes, it was cancelled.
Yeah. And the first song that we're going to sing talks about having faith in times of discourage, times of uncertainty. And this song is sung by Tree featuring Junior Songkeeper called Have No Fear.
And this song has been arranged by one of our great members of our choir, Jedra Tupai. So we hope you enjoy this one.
Some days I feel like I don't wanna do anything, 'cause I carried myself from all the pressure.
And every day life seems to get the best of me. I just gotta keep going forward.
I get scared and I try to find my own way. I find myself running back to you.
You are mine.
hello everyone, I'm Daphne Bikingia, and I come from the beautiful island of Rock Polynesia, Niue. Our next item is titled Our Own Unique Way of Performing, which we call Tāme, and it's an action song dance, to a song called Sipayo. So Sipayo is a song and a dance of happiness. So I hope you enjoy our show tonight and enjoy our performance. And this song is also composed by the late Sale Tusini. Kaua lahi.
Hello everybody. Our Pepcon ladies have been working hard over the last couple of weeks to bring you a Sivasa more from the heart. I'd like to thank Brenda and Barbara for always giving of space for their practices. Also, this is probably the main event for this evening. I know these ladies have been working hard the last few weeks. So please usu mai momo silsila para ato whai atu kenge o Pacific Connection.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause, please, for our beautiful women. It's just on 8 o'clock and we're going to start wrapping our program up. But before I do, I'd just like to say that our parents and grandparents came from the islands to Samoa for us to have a better life. And it's good to see a lot of New Zealand-born students and adults pick up the culture still. It might be a little bit contemporary, but just know, parents and grandparents, that the culture is still alive, and we walk and talk our culture in a different way than what you did back in the islands. But it is still very much alive. And I'd like to pay a special tribute to our non-Samoan women. Can you give them a round of applause? They also embraced the Samoan culture for a short time, so we thank you very much. In the Samoan house, you've got the foundation, you've got the poles, and then you've got the tawarunga, which is the roof. And we've come to the part where we're going to put a roof on our program, and we're going to have a tawarunga. So if you have a spare $100 note in your pocket, and you want to put it in the basket, or slap it on the chest of some of the members, you're more than welcome. Before the tawarunga, we have a special presentation to make, and I'd like to invite Henry and Chad to the front, please. So every house has a whānau or a firm foundation, and these two are our firm foundation, Henry and Chad. They started this project, and they encouraged us to join. I'm a good singer. Yeah, don't get me wrong. But when I came to join the choir, I learned some technical skills that I didn't know you had to, so we have a lot of natural singers, but these two put some technicality into my voice. Okay? So, on behalf of the choir, Chad and Henry, we'd like to make this presentation to you. Keep doing what you're doing because we need you, and a lot of us. Yeah, free to join if you're a good singer. If you're not a good singer, stay home, or we can do some marketing skills for you. Anyway, we're going to invite Brenda and Gillian to lead our tawarunga, two very young and capable adults.
Thank you so much, everyone. As everyone has already said, we really appreciate your time coming out here tonight. And for us as a choir, as Peter alluded to, some of us have been in the group since it started. So 2 years ago we started, and others of the group started earlier this year. And as a family, we don't really take into account when people started. We all become part of the Pacific Connection family. And as Peter mentioned, if anyone is feeling the spirit or the joy to come and sing with us, there is an audition process. Hopefully there's not, but if you want to sing with us, we're welcome to having you along, just to sing and have some fun with singing. We enjoy what we do and we enjoy each other's company. Our goal as a chorus has always been to put onto stage in a barbershop craft what the Pacific can do with that. So barbershop style of singing is predominantly American, and it's American art form, and the songs that they usually sing are songs that don't really relate well with us. And so this year we had actually prepared a couple of Pacific songs in the barbershop style, which we were really excited about putting on stage. Unfortunately it wasn't to be, but that's okay because it gives us more time to prepare for next year when the competition is in Auckland. So we're always trying to challenge ourselves. Being a Pacific group, or Pacific-based group, we are quite relaxed with each other, we have fun, but also we want to try and drive each other to get better and to strive for the top and to try and get to the top of those competitions. And so that's our goal for the next couple of years, is to build our skill, build our love and our trust between us, and we are well on the way to doing that. So we appreciate your time, your energy, and just your support of our choir for the last year, the last 2 years, for those of you who have been coming along on the journeys. So on behalf of Chad and myself, and also the whole of Pacific Connection, young and old, Pacific and non-Pacific, thank you very much, have a safe journey home, and we'll see you at our next show. Fingers crossed it will be more people. Okay?
There's more to see than could ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in